Woodbine, Georgia, Satilla River Park, home of the Crawfish Festival. Tides coming in, pushing the river back upstream. Trail along the river. Yeah, we're recording this walking with the S22 Ultra. That way we can upload it right away and don't have to download it and go through video editing process and all of that stuff. Okay, Old Dixie Highway was abandoned as a major road when US 17 was built in 1927. A bridge was then constructed just to the east of the railroad trestle in the 1950s. This wooden bridge was replaced by the high span now known as the J. Edwin Godley Bridge. Fishing guidelines. I've had some of that honeysuckle. I mean, I had some growing. This is Monday, the 18th of November, 2024. It's supposed to be going to 78 today, about 58 tonight, I think. When the water's out at low tide, you can see the muck that the crawfish live in. I've only had crawfish once, but they were so god awful I don't ever want them again. And after seeing the muck that they crawl around on the bottom eating, I don't know why anybody would want to eat the devils. Last time we were here, we were up on that railroad bridge, and two A10 warthogs came down the river. I have that video. I can't tag it off the phone, so I'll have to get in the computer to do that. But it was a pretty neat video. Also, there was a very nice corn snake I came across that same video. Look at this black water, like a mirror, black mirror. If you like these videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I've got over 3,000, over 3,100 videos. Off spray with the fish, kingfisher. black mucky water. All the pigeons up there. Yeah, this past spring, walking this trail, I came across a very cooperative corn snake who seemed like he may have been auditioning for a part in a movie. And also, two A10 warthogs came down the river from our left to our right. We're gonna walk out on the old railroad trestle bridge. Look west, inland, and then east towards the seashore. Last time we were treated by two A10 warthogs coming from over here, turned and came down the river. Look that video up. This may be a wrap, I'm not sure yet, but I think it probably is. Okay, so we found a path down underneath the railroad trestle. Well, this should be a wrap. Okay, look at there, the Mount Vernon Bridge Company, Mount Vernon, Ohio, 1926. How about that? Pretty neat. I'm glad we came down here.